Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. As part of our Python programming language series, we have completed input, output, and these data types, and we did some basic programming questions with using those data types. We use it to do how to take input, how to print output, and basic questions like area of a rectangle. These things we have covered already. If you are the person who are watching for the first time, please watch our playlist. We had did a good videos, and the people who had watched these videos, if you like, please give me some comment or subscribe for those things only. Now coming to this video, we are going to start conditional statements. This is I like these statements very much. But before going to start, for every video, for every new topic, whenever we are going to start, we are asking the first question, why we are going to learn. Our series started with why we need to study the programming language. In this way, we started that. Now, in this video, I will explain first what is the need for conditional statements. Then we will go for how to explore these things, all these things. Okay, I hope everyone using the touch mobile. Initially there is a button phone in your homes, 9, 10 buttons, 12 buttons are there, right? Button phone, you will press the button and you will use the phone. Then someone came and told, we invented new this touch phone. Why you use it? That button is pressing, it's very hard. Touch phone is very simple, like this you can do, so that you are using, right? Similarly, there is one story why you got the touch phone. If car is there, why aeroplane came, there is one story. Similarly, if normal data types input output is there, then what is the need of conditional statement? There must be a story. First we need to understand the background, why it came, what is the need. Basically, first you need to understand what is need for it, what is need for it. Then only you will understand in very good manner, right? If you know the relation, your grandmother, grandfather, uska father, father, then you can bless them or do these namaskar whenever they are visible on the road. If you don't know that person, how can you respect him? Until unless you know that, don't know the background, how can you respect them? Similarly, to understand in a good manner, or actually basically not remembering, to understand, we need to know the story. Okay, I am telling the story why we got this with some real time example, then you will understand. Okay, now think that initially with data types input and 1 minute, input and output, and normal these printf statements. Input, we will use input function only. For output we will use print. Normally the flow is in the compiler or interpreter, whenever you write the code, the program will work from top to bottom, correct? Top to bottom, line number 1 to line number n, correct? It will execute from the top to bottom. Now everything is working fine, from top to niche everything is working fine. Now what is the issue happened means, we got some scenarios like, for example, think I developed one Instagram user login page. Okay, Instagram user login page. Okay, Instagram user login page. Basically I'm writing here Instagram user login. Just think that user login anywhere, it may be IRCTC, it may be your Flipkart account, bank account, Amazon account, any account. Okay, now if I go from top to bottom, okay, top to bottom, first I need to ask user ID password. First I need to ask user ID password. How can we ask? By using the input function only. Next, next. Go into the next page, home page, home page. We'll go to home page, right? So first we'll ask the input from the user, your user ID, password we will take, and we will go to the home page. This is how we can write by using our existing knowledge, like using data types and input output. Is it true? What if? What if the user gave wrong id password? Okay, wrong id password. Now how you will handle this? How you will handle this? We should not go like this only, right? We should not go like this only. Even though wrong password also, how can I should go to Instagram homepage? I should not go. I should stop him, I should cut him, and I should throw him out of the Instagram app, correct? So that we have altering ways, like, for example, so my code is running like this, like this, like this. Now I have one condition. I have one condition. I will ask user user ID and password. User ID and password. If both are correct, both are correct. If both are correct, I will allow him to use Instagram app. Okay. If both are not correct, at least one is not correct. ID is wrong or password is wrong. Then not correct. Not correct. I will send him out. I will send him out. So I will stop him. I will stop him. This is the flow. different flows in your daily life also. OTP correct or wrong? If OTP is correct, you should go like this. You have some two flows, basically two flows, okay? Basically two flows. And in going further, we have two flows only at present. If means, see, conditional statements is if. Similarly in English you will use like, if the time is 8 o'clock, I will do homework. What if time 7 o'clock? I will not do homework. Similarly, just simple English only. Simple English only, no need to worry, it's very simple. By 10 examples we will explore how to use if condition, okay? Now see this. Uh, basically this is if else. So we have two options. If it is correct, we'll go in this way. If it is false, basically true or false. If the condition is true, we'll go one path. If the condition is false, we'll go in the another path. Just you need to remember one thing only, just like English statement. If I want to explain this conditional statement in one line, that is nothing but just English statement, if else, okay? If the time is 8 o'clock, I will do the homework, or else I will not do the homework, basically. Now the conditional statements are three, okay? If, else if, so third one, if else, and else if, okay? These are the three conditional statements. And basically when you will use first one, okay? When you will use first one, okay? See, think that one story. You are in a counter, some counter, you need to do some task. The flow is coming from top to bottom, in the program it will come top to the bottom. So if boy if boy check his pocket, okay, in the elevator or somewhere. If boy check his pockets, okay. This is our scenario. When to use if? When to use only if? If means, see, if it is a girl, just leave it as it is. If it is a boy, check him and leave him, okay, like this. If it is a boy, check him and continue to the next flow. If it is a girl, directly leave him, like these scenarios. Only some specific condition. If only this condition is true, then only we need to do the processing. I will give number of examples, then you will understand more clear. If else is nothing but if condition is true, what I should do. If condition is false, what I should do. Only this or that, okay. Else if else if is like see, this is like pass or fail, okay. Pass or fail, only two ways. First one is first one is single way. If condition is true, I need to do this process, or else leave it just leave it. Next, if else. What if I get 35 marks, you are pass, okay. You are pass. If I not get, fail. Only two scenarios. For this case we need to use if else. Next, else if. When to use else if? There are multiple conditions. 90 to 100, yes grade. 80 to 90, A grade. 70 to 80, B grade. Like this, multiple stories. You just remember only one thing, okay. After this lecture, what I want you people to understand means, only one thing. Just you should be able to understand when to use if. Only one condition, okay. Or else one way, one use, okay. One use or one path, like this. One path. When to use if else? Two paths possible, okay. Now if condition true, condition false, based on the question we need to think and we need to understand. By the next coming videos I will make 10 examples. You will be very good at if else if and if conditions, okay. Now else if. More than two more than two, okay. More than two. If it is more than two, then only we should use else if it is more than two, then only we should use else if. These are the three conditions. These are the three conditional statements. This is the only explanation for what is if else if. I haven't explained the syntaxes anything. In the upcoming video I will make it sure. Why? Because now just I want to make you people understand what is the condition statement, that's all. There is one more concept left, that is known as indentation. I will explain in the next video. After that onwards, we will start coding with if else. We will solve number of examples. Then we will get a more strong grip on the conditional statements, okay. 10 see, I am planning 10 videos on these both the topics, okay. Approximately 10 to 13 videos on this both, and 10 videos separately on this, okay. Already on the data types, if you have seen, we completed 10 videos. Now as a small gesture or small homework, what you people do means, go to chat gpt, you tell that I know input statement, I know output statement, I know data types. Can you ask me some Python programming questions? It will ask. Try to solve those questions and try to give that program to ChatGPT only after the question. Now ask this program is correct for the question or not? You ask them and get some confidence that you are able to solve the questions which are in the field of data types, input, output. Okay. I hope this video is small only, but no need to worry. Next video, we are learning in a small pieces. Okay. Don't think it's a small video. I made sure that what I want to teach you, I thought that next in the upcoming video, I will teach you indentation. After that, I will start how to use if. Okay. Okay, guys. Goodbye. We will meet in the next video. If you like the video, please give me a small comment. And can you give me some comment which which is what is unique you in me? Compare it to others. What is unique you? What does you like in my style? So I want to improve that style. What the thing you liked in me? So if you can tell that, it will be a good helpful for me so that I can focus on that to make my videos more good. Okay. Thank you, guys.